Hi, my name is Farid. I'm a software developer with 1 year of experience in artificial intelligence. From the last 1 year, I have built 4 AI projects. Mockinterview4u and SpeakDude is one of them. I will walk through each project one by one and try to cover all the topics like the tech stack behind these projects, the problem I was trying to solve, the challenges I faced during the development, and how I tackle those challenges. So I will try to cover all those things one by one. So let's start with mock interview for you. I built this platform for those people who are struggling with interviews, for those people who want to improve their interview skills. Interviews are one of the most stressful part of job seeking process. Most people don't get honest feedback. Most people are struggling with interview anxiety, and coaching can be expensive and inconsistent. I wanted to build a solution that feels like practicing with a real, knowledgeable interviewer, one that gives instant, actionable feedback. That is how Mock Interview for You was born. It is an AI powered platform that simulates mock interviews and help user build ATS friendly resume. Now let me show you a quick demo so that you can understand how the platform works. So there are two features, interview feature and resume feature. Now a 3D avatar will conduct the interview for software engineering role.
Great. Let's begin the interview. To start, could you tell me a little about your background and any projects you've worked on, either academically or personally? What technologies did you use, and what was your specific role in these projects?
So these questions are generated by AI. I have integrated OpenAI API to generate this questions, and I followed the best prompting practices, making sure that AI will generate the relatable to the point questions as per the roles and experience selected by the user. Hi, I'm a software engineer. I recently built a project called Mock Interview for You that helps user to practice mock interviews and build ATS friendly resume.
That sounds like an interesting project. Could you share more details about the technologies you used to build the mock interview project? Specifically, what programming languages, frameworks, or tools did you utilize? Additionally, what was your specific role in the development process?
The audio you are listening is basically the AI response that I am converting into audio using Amazon Poly. So I have set up the code in such a way that the AI response and the audio should play at the same time in the chat section, and the avatar should lip sync at that moment to provide an interactive experience to the user. For the front end, I have used React, Tailwind, CSS, TypeScript, and for database, I have used. When I click on this feedback button, based on the entire interview session, the AI will generate the feedback. Let me show you the prompting I have used to generate these questions and to generate this feedback. So these are the prompts I have used to generate interview questions. I followed the best prompting practices, making sure that the AI will generate relatable question as per the role and experience selected by the user. These are the prompts. Now for feedback I have used this prompts. Here are the prompts. For the front end, I have used React, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS. For database, I have used PostgreSQL, and for backend, I have used AWS Lambda functions and I have coded the backend in Node.js. All the Lambda functions are deployed in AWS, and the front end is also deployed in AWS Amplify. I will pin the link in the description so that you can test the application live. So during the development, biggest challenge I faced was the lip syncing of the avatar. What was happening? The questions was appearing in the chat section, but the avatar was not lip syncing. So to tackle that problem, I use Rupub lip sync and phonomy mapping. Let me show you the GitHub file. So here I have explained how the lip sync technology works. Another issue was feedback quality. Early version gave generic suggestions. I fine-tuned the prompt engineering and added conversation memory. In the README file, I have said all the information in depth. There is another feature, resume builder. So using that feature, anyone can create ATS resume in minutes. User can create the resume from scratch, or if they have existing resume, they simply need to upload it. The application will extract the resume content, and using OpenAI, we will structure that data and store in the database. And we will pre-fill that information in our resume templates. Within just 1 minute, the resume will be created and ready to download. And if the user want to create it from scratch, they can enter the information manually step by step and create the resume. Let me show you the resume which I already have built. So this is a resume builder. From this section, the user can change the templates, design, colors. They can move the section up or down based on their requirement, and they can download the resume. I have also integrated AI functionality in this feature. Let me show you. If the user want to take AI help, they can simply click on this enhance with AI button. If they like the content, they can click on apply changes, and the resume will be updated. Over 1.5 billion people worldwide are learning a language right now. That is 1 in 5 people on earth trying to master a language for career growth, travel, or personal development. But here is the shocking truth. Despite spending months or even years learning, most still can't hold a basic conversation. The problem is traditional language learning focuses on grammar rules, vocabulary memorization, and written exercises, but they completely missing the most crucial skill, that is speaking skill. SpeakDude, an AI-powered language learning platform that solves this exact problem. Instead of more grammar drills, we focus on providing a platform where user can practice speaking skills in a judgment-free environment. There are two features in the application. First is practice with Luna and other is translation game. Luna is a AI language tutor powered by Tavis. She looks like a real human. She can hear, see, and respond naturally in real time across 30 languages. So whether you want to practice English, German, Greek, French, Hindi, Spanish, you can do that with Luna. Let me show you a quick demo.
Hello. I'm excited to help you practice English today. Let's begin.
I want to practice English. Whenever I want to speak something, I stumble and run out of words.
Don't worry, that's completely normal. It can be frustrating when you can't find the right words to express yourself. Let's practice some conversations, and I'll help you build your confidence in speaking English. What kind of situations make you feel like you're struggling to find the right words? Is it when you're talking to friends at work, or maybe when you're trying to order food or ask for directions?
When I'm trying to order food,
Ordering food can be a great place to start. Let's practice a scenario where you're at a restaurant and you want to order something. I'll be the waiter, and you can start by telling me what kind of food you're in the mood for. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just speak naturally and I'll help you out.
the best thing is Luna will never judge you. You can make as many mistakes you want. She will encourage you to speak and become fluent. Other feature is translation game. Rapid translation trains your brain to think quickly in your target language. So in this feature, AI will present you sentences in your native language and you respond by speaking the translation in your target language. If you are incorrect, AI immediately provides the correct translation. It is a fast and effective way to build speaking confidence and overcome hesitation of overthinking. Let me show you a quick demo. Select your native language and then select the language you want to practice.
मेरा नाम राज है.
My name is Raj. Every session is tracked automatically. Our analytics dashboard shows you daily streak session history and achievement, and there is a progress section so you can see your progress and stay motivated. For front end, I have used React, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS. For database, I have used PostgreSQL. For streaming this AI avatar, I have used Tavis avatar with dailies.co SDK. And I have also used 11 Labs API for converting the text to audio and OpenAI for generating translation sentences. So these are the prompts I have used for AI language tutor feature. I followed the best prompting practices, making sure that Luna must behave like a friendly language tutor. So these are the long prompts. For each language, I have dedicated prompt. Like for Russian, I have this prompts. For German, I have this prompt. The biggest challenge I faced during the development of this project was integrating the avatar into the application. Initially, the avatar was not rendering on the screen, despite the logic appearing correct. After researching the issue in depth, I discovered that Tavis avatar can be integrated effectively with Daily.co's streaming SDK. I implemented the solution, configured the streaming logic accordingly, and once integrated, the avatar started rendering. It started appearing on the screen correctly. This experience deepened my understanding of real time streaming and avatar integration workflows.